Okay, here we are. Glowing red thing on the little charger thing there. Condition on the car's on. 2 units, one's plugged in to a power cord at the moment. There's there. Power cord down to the red light on it. Get it up to the unit. It's dead. Try pushing the on button. No lights, no nothing. Wiggle the cable or whatever. And the second one here. There's a little power cord over here. Exactly the same. As soon as you put power on, they should come on. The other one did. As soon as you put any power, whether it's USB from the computer or whether it's from the car. That's hard to see. Turn the button on. Anything else if it helps. 2 units. No LED lights, no nothing. Plugged into power, power's on. There. Okay, thank you.